gross.
Hey, guess who had you?
That's gross.
Who? Me. Oh.
I like it.
How long is it gonna take to open? Let's see what's in the box. What's in the box?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. You're gonna eat those gloves.
Oh, my mother didn't show.
Did you not read what it said? Use caution when unwrapping.
Yeah.
You may need those gloves.
Without the gloves, babe.
He said I need the gloves. I think he might need the gloves.
I got one this year. It was like, ooh,
Where was that?
at Sherry's. Sherry's.
Yeah.
Oh, what's in that?
Yeah,
Oh my goodness.
the map put on it. The map. The map.
Well, there's a map. Oh, he wants to show you the map. He made a map on there for you.
Yeah,
Enjoy.
This is that one.
Oh,
I think I've heard a story about this rat.
there you go. Well, what's in it? How does it open?
Sawyer.
Someone will give you an item to open. I'll go behind you. There we go. Be careful, it's fragile.
And there's tape on it.
Yeah, he taped it up.
You guys took my idea and you ran with it,
Oh,
but it
hell
wasn't
yeah,
for
that was an awesome idea.
Hammer now.
I was gonna make you make the box, but stuff came up.
Who needs a hammer?
Huh.
Yeah.
What's up,
Good
buddy?
idea.
Let's give people things to The Sawyer from Grandma and Grandpa. And I'm pretty sure they're all Sawyer again.
Get a hammer.
Got some nails, got a hammer.
Wish we already broke it.
Is it already broken?
See?
Oh, we're gonna have to be very extra careful with it. And we got some wood. So let's put
The hammer.
put this together.
The hammer's are always this.
That's supposed to be the bottom part.
With the thick part.
And this one goes here. We got some of it done. Here's this part. We're gonna put this present. And here we go. The box. What do you think, Sawyer? You want color on it? The box is finished. Looks like a horrible job. That's the box. And here is the finished product of that thing. Let's see how that works out for him. Honestly, what do you think of that? Oh yeah.
Yes.
Nicely done.
No, because somebody wants me to suffer.
Just said, can you use that instead of a hammer?
Yeah.
It's Scott's first attempt at building a box.
Yeah. Somewhere, I think, buddy.
I'll go get you.
Oh yeah?
You want your mom to get one?
Tell them don't be so loud.
Where it catches everything.
You're almost there.
Snowy feet.
Yeah. It's on.
Oh, sweet. See all this other stuff?
So this is
Do hot dog.
Wait, yeah,
Quit harder, he said.
So how? That.
Your idea, huh?
Wow.
Oh, thank you.
That might have been a horrible joke.
And you use big nails too.
2-inch.
Hey, I have to give Scott the boy that doesn't know tools.
Oh, and it's wrapped.
Some box.
frame house.
Watch out for the nails.
Sawyer, be careful. No, back out, back out. No, 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 let it, no, no, stop, stop, stop.
Get out of the way.
Get out of the way. I know. Is there a way to keep him busy?
Oh, jeez.
It's heavy.
What?
I think
Is it upside down?
Is it breakable?
Yes, it is.
Can we dump it?
No, it's fragile. Really, really fragile. Be very, very, very. you gotta do it one piece at a time.
We can slowly tip it upside down and let it out.
So see,
Yes,
see how good you are? You can do things.
it's not very fragile. It's not fragile at all. Sawyer, watch it. You can tip it out. Or,
Hopefully.
jeez.
Good job on your box, though.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm so proud of you.
Yeah. What do you think of that? Merry Christmas. What is in the box?
It'll come back here.
He only hopes he gets you next
shake
one.
Watch it. There's might be nails, Sawyer. Be careful.
I think you nailed it.
And you just
You
definitely.
think so? I
I think you nailed the present to the.
Probably had a nail go awry.
I hope not.
And now the poor thing is dead.
I hope not.
Can they pick up one side?
That's my hope. I'm hoping that it doesn't. No, I actually had to sit on it. Watch these. No, I don't think I.
I think I would have used a torch.
You should be able to squeeze it out now. Oh, I did not even look at how perfect my nail is. Wow, I didn't even.
Now you can do something with your box.
Cool. Yeah, I got you a box. Now this is for somebody else. That was your gift.
Don't forget to take your box home with you, Sawyer.
There's
You
no
looked
proof.
in your book, you should have had gift card.
I did.
Okay.
You tired now?
That's fun. So it's becoming my favorite thing.
He's thinking of revenge.
Favorite next
I was concerned of safety. So sorry, watch it. There's nails, and
Yeah.
I didn't want him to get us.
You want to
turn
open that
James
door
to
off
get
this
us.
outside.
I figured you go buy a multimeter.
Open the door, Sawyer.
Sorry, open the door.
You can open it? What's in it? Do you know?
No, I'm just gonna keep it like that.
There you go.
I'm gonna cherish it.
It might take you till next Christmas to get it over.
No, he's done. That
Oh,
was
he's
it.
got to unwrap it now.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice.
And that's why you didn't get it from me this year.
No.
Oh, that sounds heavy.
227 pieces heavy.
It's Lowe's. So,
It made up.
Lifetime guarantee.
yeah.
We have a Lowe's card, so we're good.
It made a bucket.
What is it, tools?
Yeah, it's a socket set. He wanted one that was organized, so you keep it organized instead of
That'll never happen.
reorganizing them.
They always end up in the bottom.
I like
Yeah, I know. Mine is,
I
yeah.
have a box this big of sockets that we don't. Yeah.
Oh no, that's how it is.
Probably 8 of them.
Do you want to keep the sticker?
You should come over and try to find a wrench.
Is it a race sticker?
Well, congratulations on opening
Thank
it.
you, guys.
We'll make it harder next year because I'm pretty sure I'll draw your name again.
So hard.
Or he'll draw yours. Do you know how to use
I'm
the crowbar and a hammer?
I will cover it with you.
Yeah, just learn.